guys, welcome to day 3 of my 12 days of Christmas. Today I have just the cutest little tiny cup you've ever did see. Okay, this is my little festive vibes. This is more like a stemless champagne glass, I guess you would say. But how cute is she? I can't get enough. Okay, and the cutest part about this cup is how tiny the lid is. Like, it's just this little teeny tiny guy. Like, it is so cute. Okay, I'm obsessed with little things. I think everyone knows that by now, but this is tinsel glitter from my Christmas collection on there, and she's just gorgeous. If you guys want to see how I did this cup, let's get into the tutorial, and then also stay tuned for day 4 tomorrow. Bye guys. So here is this little thermo flute from TJ Maxx. I thought it was just so cute, so I had to use this. So taking off the stickers and the lid. Then of course prepping with mattify. Then once it was prepped, I just painted it black from Rust-Oleum. Once the spray paint was dry, I just mixed up some epoxy and I used tinsel from my Christmas collection. And I had mixed this up for a different cup and had some left over. That's why it's already mixed. But you just kind of want it a little bit more chunky where it's almost mostly glitter. And we're just going to pat and smooth it onto the cup. And I know I did this in my video yesterday, the Let It Snow cup. I promise not all my cups are done with this technique, but it is just so fun and so pretty. So I thought it was just the perfect way to glitter this little champagne flute. So I'm just smoothing it down around the bottom and then kind of bringing it upwards. And I kind of liked how it was looking like not full coverage, like you could still see a little bit of the darkness peeking through. You can definitely get this full coverage, or if you feel like it didn't go full coverage, you could add a second coat. But once that was dry, I did a layer of the Artistry epoxy. I just couldn't get over how pretty tinsel is on just a black cup. So then I just cut out Festive vibes in a gold vinyl with this little like holly leaf at the top. Is that holly or mistletoe? I don't even know. But it's just the little leaves with the little berries. So I just stuck that on my cup. I was using, this is just clear packing tape. I did not know where my transfer tape or I used masking tape sometimes. I couldn't find any regular tape that I used for this, so I ended up just using packing tape and it worked. It just was a little difficult to get the vinyl to stick to it. So then more of my Artistry epoxy. And a final layer of epoxy to finish this cup. This is a pretty simple one, but I feel like it's just stunning, just so cute. Let me know what you guys think. I just love this technique of kind of smoothing the glitter on in the epoxy like that. It just makes it look more reflective and kind of like foiled, if that makes sense. So now let's package this little champagne flute. I found this little makeup bag that's just so cute. This was from TJ Maxx. It was only $6.99, and I feel like that's the same price as a gift bag. So why not just give a bag that they can use for something else? So I picked up some of this gold tinsel as well. So I took out about half of the stuffing that was in the bag, just to leave a little bit at the bottom. Then adding some of the gold tinsel in there. Then just putting that in like a little champagne flute nest, I guess you could say. And it just looks like a little party in there. It's so cute. So when they unzip it, it's just a really pretty little package. I also had this metallic gold ribbon, so I thought a really pretty just little bow on there would make it look a little bit more like a gift and not just somebody's purse or something. So I added that, and just look how cute that turned out. Like, if you got that as a gift, come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for day 5 tomorrow. Bye.